much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a super exciting video. I have an unboxing on a brand new purchase that I recently made. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. I am Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. And I also love to blog, so make sure to follow me on my blog and my social medias at FABIOLAGBeauty.com. And also on my blog, I normally post like up close pictures of products and also like my favorite links. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing. So today's unboxing is going to be on a brand new Louis Vuitton purse. I actually got this from the actual Louis Vuitton store. I normally make my purchases like online and at Nordstrom, but this one here, when I saw it in store, I fell in love with it. So I'm going to show it to you guys. So here it is, and they always package everything so beautiful. It's actually upside down. It says Louis Vuitton, and then here is like the receipt. And like lately I've been so much into like crossbody purses, not so much into like big ones. I actually just did an unboxing, I think it was like last week, on the Porsche Felici wallet, which I really love also. So here it is. And it comes with like its little dust bag. So before I show it to you guys, let me tell you what it's called. So this one here is the Flore chain wallet, and it does come in rose ballerine, and it also comes in fuchsia. I saw both of them and they're both very beautiful, but the one that I got, I don't know if you guys can guess which color I got. So it is, ta-da! This one right here. Isn't she so pretty? This is like definitely my style. So I got the rose ballerine, but the reason why I immediately fell in love with it is because there's two colors that I always use. So there's the pink color, which I have like so much clothes that are pink. I always like to wear like light clothes, and I thought this would go perfect with that. But it also has the Louis Vuitton monogram print in the back and in the front, and I thought that was just so beautiful. It's like such a nice combination, and it has like a little, you know, pop of pink. So it's like pink on the side, on the bottom, and then on the sides here. And it also has this adorable little button here, like a magnetic closure with like a flower. I thought that was so pretty, you guys. And the inside is all pink. So one thing that I love about this one is that this is actually leather, so it's not fabric like the Felici wallet. So the Felici wallet is fabric, so when you open it, you do have to be careful that your hands are clean, otherwise it's going to stain the fabric. But this here is so easy to clean because it's just leather. So I thought that was great, and it has, you know, the Louis Vuitton canvas on the front as well. And I thought that was so pretty, you guys. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Oh, and this one is made in France. So I have something that's made in France. The other ones that I have, they're made in USA. So this is actually my first made in France purse. And the inside here has like a little wallet here. So it's like a little compartment. There's also a compartment inside, like that, and it's pretty spacious. I love this because I think it's like a two-in-one. It's like a wallet and it's a purse. So it has like a really nice zipper, and then what's great about it is the inside has these compartments here to put your cards. There are 8 in total, and then there's another like compartment here. So there's like so much, you know, you can put your cards in there, you can put some stuff here, and then your phone, your keys, and all that stuff in the middle. So the Felici wallet has 2 inserts that are removable, But the thing that I like about this is that you don't have anything in the middle. So you do have like a space here, and then everything's like on the side. So I thought that was great. And it does come with this gorgeous chain, and this is what you can use as a crossbody, as a purse. And if you don't like it, you can remove it and just use it as a little clutch. But I am like obsessed with this one, you guys. It's so pretty, and this is like definitely, you know, for an everyday use. And then there's also these like things inside. So this one here retails for $14.40 US dollars, but it is so beautiful. I am like in love with it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm going to show you guys very quickly what it looks like a crossbody and also as a clutch and a purse, so you guys can see for yourself. And I also have my phone here. My phone is the iPhone X, just so you guys can get like reference how this fits inside. It literally fits perfectly. Now this is the exact same size as the Felicia wallet. I actually think this one here is a little bit more roomy and has more space, because the Felicia wallet you really can't put too much inside, but this one definitely has like a lot of space in there. So here it is. I have my phones inside, and there's still like a lot of room in there, and it is wider in the bottom, so that's great because it's not gonna lose its shape. So let me go ahead and show you guys very quickly what it looks like. So here it is, and it does come with this beautiful gold chain. You can wear it as a purse, and this is what it looks like over the shoulder. It literally hits me like right below the hip area. And I am 5'6" for reference in case you guys are wondering, but it looks absolutely gorgeous like this. So if I wear it as a crossbody, I like it even better like this. So I love it as a crossbody, and that's the reason why I got it. So as a crossbody, it fits, I would say, right where the hip area is. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And then if you don't like the chain itself, you can always remove it. It's very easy to remove on the side, and you can just use it as a clutch, like an evening night out clutch, or as a wallet. So that was it, you guys, for my unboxing on this beautiful purse. I like literally love it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. It's so pretty. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.